really looking forward to opening these. In this quick look, we're going to check out the Tricky Cats. It's a new series from KidRobot. We've got some challenging ratios here for some of them, as rare as 1 in 60. And of course, that's a mystery design as well, so if we get one we don't recognize, we can get real happy about it. Because we just kind of see a cartoon drawing of the head, I'm really interested to see what they actually look like. KidRobot has a reputation for some very good stuff. Nice. Little Halloween kitty here. Got a hat and a broom. And the cat itself feels very much like a dunny. So definitely a similar material and process, but of course cat ears instead of the trademark dunny ears. Pretty cool. What were the odds on this guy? Looks like he's 1 in 20 right there. So, pretty good looking series once again from KidRobot. This is the Tricky Cats blind box series.